Welcome back, everyone. I know I haven't been recording any videos for about a month. I think I was able to let one pass about the ugliest electrical manuals, both for wiring residential wiring, and for a reference guide in electrical. So that's what I was able to do because I wasn't in the lab and I wasn't doing anything new, so there was nothing to share. But now we're back. And um, while I was there, I managed to buy a charger for this Nikon camera. This is the Nikon D3200, and its charger, the old one, was kaput. So I bought a new one. It's only like $20, I think, and I charged it fully charged. And that's going to be important to have it fully charged because we're going to update the firmware. If we turn on the camera and we go to menu, we can see the firmware version for the camera is 1.03, and for the lens it's 2.002. And this is old. I think there's now 1.04, and for the lens there's an updated one. So that's what we're going to do. First of all, I'm going to format the SD card that is in here. And we can do that in settings. Format the card. Yes, formatting complete. So that's all erased. Next, I downloaded the files and I'll show you how we did that. Went to this website, downloadcenter.nikon.imglibrary.com, and we looked for our product, which is the Nikon D3200, and we went to firmware, and we can take a look over here. Distortion control data version, this one. Okay, need to see from where to download it. Here we go. D3200 firmware, version 1.04. Okay, 2015 says okay. Let's see if you download page. I'm gonna pick Windows. Okay. Accept. And we are going to download it. And it has popped up over here inside the downloads. So we'll give that a moment to download, and then we can upload it to the SD card. If I go to my downloads folder, I can see in the downloads I have the two data files right here. This one, the F3200, is the file for the camera, and this is supposed to be the one for the lens. So I'm gonna right click on that. I'm gonna open it with Windows RAR, and we can see there's a file over here called Windows Update. I'm gonna click on that, and then we have a bin folder. I'm going to extract that to downloads. Should be done. Okay, so that's the bin folder. And I'm going to do the same for the data one. I'm going to open it with Windows RAR, the data update, and the same thing, extract to the desktop, to the downloads. Okay, that should be good. So we have both files over here. I'm going to take the SD card out now, and I'm going to plug it into the computer. And I have a folder that was created by the camera, the DCIM, But what I want to do is I want to take this file and I want to copy it and put it into the root of this file of the SD card, and the same thing for the 3200. Paste it just like that. Okay, now that's done. We can exit that and let us eject the SD card. Safe to remove. Now let us turn the attention to the camera again. You can take this and put it in its adapter. Take the camera, plug in the card. Okay, let's go turn it on. Go to menu, and we will have firmware version, and now we will have update. See, the current one is C 1.03, the new one is C 1.04. So we're gonna push update, and we're not gonna turn it off. It may take a few minutes to do that. So now it told us that the update is complete and we can turn the camera off. So we turn it off. Let's reboot. Okay. Menu, firmware version 1.04. Okay, same thing, so we don't have to do that again. No. Okay. Menu, firmware version 1.02. And it looks like we are done. That is it. Our firmware is updated. Make sure everything is good. Go to the settings really quick. We can clean the lens. Distortion. Okay, that looks good. Firmware is up to date. That's it for today.